In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. So today we will discuss about the topic waves, and this article is very important as far as O-level physics is concerned. And we will discuss the waves and the terms relating to waves. So as first of all, I will define what is wave. The disturbance the disturbance in the medium produce waves. The disturbance in the medium produce waves. So the important thing is medium. There are three types of the medium is there. One is the solid, just like metal. The other one is liquid, just like water. And the other one is gases, just like air. So that's about the medium. And waves transfer energy from one place to another. And we have the there are the main two types of the waves. Number one is mechanical waves, mechanical waves, and number two is electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, and we will define today mechanical waves. Mechanical waves. The waves which require medium which require medium for their propagation. The waves which require medium for their propagation are called mechanical waves, like sound waves, water waves, waves produced in a spring or string. So these are mechanical waves. And we have the two types of the mechanical waves. Number one is transverse waves, and number two is longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves. And today I will just explain the terms relating to waves. Students, let's suppose it is a wave, students. And this portion of the wave is called crust. and this portion of the wave is called trough. What is crust and what is trough? Crust, the portion of wave above its mean level. Above its mean level, it is called crust. And what is trough? Trough, the portion of wave below its mean level. Below its mean level is called trough. So let's look at the diagram. And what is wavelength? So what's wavelength? Wavelength, the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs is called wavelength. The distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs is called wavelength, and it is denoted by lambda. And what is frequency, students? What is frequency? What is frequency? The number of waves, waves passing through particular point, passing through particular point in 1 second is called frequency. Look at the definition here. What is the frequency? The number of waves passing through a particular point in 1 second is called frequency. Time period, students. Time period, it is the time required for one wave to pass through a particular point, through a particular point. So students, these are different terms relating to the wave, and the last one is wave speed. I mean, V is equal to F lambda. So that is the wave speed here. And students, next time we will prove this relation V is equal to F lambda, and the types of the waves I've just told you, that transverse wave, longitudinal waves, and electromagnetic waves, and we shall discuss in the next one. Thank you all, students.